My name is Jason Moley. Our sawmill is JRM Pallets. We've been operating since 2012. Hector Spruit is in the Lowveld or in Mpumalanga, and we provide mainly industrial pallet work we do here, and then we do structural timber. We look at the best machinery to get the best recovery. But the team I have and the service that you give and call it the machinery you have, if you're reliable and if you give the service, you can win over your customer and you can have him for life. So we've got two sawmilling lines. We've got a pallet line and a pallet component line, which predominantly cuts eucalyptus or gums. And then we've got another new line which we've just installed, which is predominantly our pine line. On the pine side, which we commissioned towards the end of April, we've bought a new WB2000 breakdown, which runs into a Titan double head resaw. And then it goes through a new EG800 built in Poland, which does the boards. Then we've got another EG800 which does a recovery, and then various Wood Mizer resaws in that line doing the recovery. We are cutting 6 meter only on the structural, and also anything from a B, C and a D class, mainly C and D class logs. So we're cutting there. Also probably we're trying to cut about 100 cubes a day in, 50 to 60 cubes out, 40 cubes structural and about 15 odd recovery. Whatever recovery we do from the pine line, we put into pellet material. If it wasn't for Wood Mizer, we wouldn't really be where we are right now, because the after-sales service is very good. We used to have Alistair come out on Sundays. I don't think it's something that you'll be able to get with another brand in South Africa, where you could get a part that easily if it's not from the local depot or from Joburg, which is overnight. And sometimes it's, the market changes quickly, and it's good to be able to quickly get something and chase that market.